Are you doing bench press like this? Stop these mistakes before it gives you shoulder pain. First mistake, bench with a flat back. Without arching, shoulders will round forward. This puts a lot of pressure on your rotator cuff and front shoulders. This will put your shoulders in risk of injury. As you can see from the back view, it puts a lot of pressure on the scapula. What you should do instead, shoulders retracted, depress your scapula. This will depress the upper traps, which give you an arc. Keep full constant tightness. Squeeze your shoulder blades at the end. The second fix will be to arc your back. Arc your upper back, not your lower back. Arcing your lower back will cause high stress on it. Arcing puts your humerus in a better position and it's externally rotated. This will allow using less front delts, focusing more on chest activation. The next mistake is undertaking your elbows. Bar touching too high on chest can cause excessive flaring of elbows. Cause a high chance of shoulder injury. This will put high compressive force on your shoulders, which can lead to injury. Your elbows and your shoulder will be misaligned as a result, which can cause additional stress. What you should do instead? Proper bench path. Bar should be lower to nipple level. Then push up to above your shoulders. The bar path will not be straight up and down, but curved diagonally. Next mistake, misaligned wrists. Wrist misaligned with elbow can give extra torque on elbows and shoulders. Again, we can see here that the wrist is not aligned with the elbows. Instead, what you should do, at best, adjust your elbow flare, flaring about 60 degrees to ensure wrist is aligned with elbows. And then you can see how wrists are stacked with elbows here.